Hi everyone, in this week's episode we're going to take a look at a banana that I put in resin 6 months ago. I did it when I created the update video for the strawberry. Now at the start of this video you're going to see me cast it in resin, and towards the end we're going to take a look at it today, 6 months later. So now that you saw how I cast the banana, it's now time to take a look at it 6 months later. But before we do, I thought it might be cool to see an update on the strawberry, since it's now been 12 months since I cast this one. It looks really good. The resin's still nice and clear, and if anything, the strawberry's gotten a little darker. So now that you've had a quick strawberry update, let's take a look at the banana. Well guys, that's it for this week's episode. I hope you enjoyed this one. It's going to be really interesting to see how this banana goes over the next 12 months. Now if there's anything you guys want to see cast in resin, leave me a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you next time.